Okay, so my name is Edward Bacon. So I'm the head of general education at Ranks University International College. And I'm just making this short video about how to complete the English score test. And more specifically, it's going to be the core skills test. All right, so give me a second real quick and let me share my screen here. Okay, all right, so here, this is my my phone here. So what you're going to need to do, you see that on the second row, the furthest to the left, there's an app called EnglishScore. So what you're going to need to do, you go to the Play Store or the Apple Store and download EnglishScore. Okay, so big, uh, it's a blue background. It says British Council EnglishScore. Okay, and then once you download it, you open it up like this. Here it says British Council EnglishScore. All right. And so I have already set up my account. Let me just go ahead and get out of that. So let me just log out so I can show you guys um, how to go ahead and set it up. So this is what'll happen when you first download it. You have a bunch of these screens. It'll give you some hot points about what to expect from English Score. So English Score, it's set up by the British Council. Okay. But it's an English test meant for those looking for employment. Okay, but we've also started to use it for um, universities. So enrolling in universities. Okay, so let's say, for example, you just download it and you don't have an account yet. So you want to click where it says Get Started. So you get started. Okay, then you have three options here. You can continue with Google, okay, or Facebook or an email, okay. Probably the easiest thing to do is to use Facebook. So just click on that button to attach it to your Facebook account, and boom, you're ready to go. But me, I already have an account, so I'm going to click where it says I have an account, and okay, well, I'm not going to show you that. Let's see. How about sign with my email? Okay. Okay, well, actually, I end up signing with my email. But you have many different options. You can go into Facebook, Google, or your email. Okay, so then once you get that done, you get your account set up. Just want I want to stress something. You do not need to pay, so this is free. Okay, and so what you're going to need to do, you need to take the core skills test. So click where it says Start the test. Then you have two options, either enter a Connect code or continue to the test. So this is like a practice test. So do not press that when you say enter a Connect code, it's going to ask you for your code that you get from your university. All right, so you're not going to do that. Okay. So start the test, continue to the test. So click that, and then what it'll do now is just giving you some short, information about the test. The core skills test should take 30 to 40 minutes to complete. It's based upon grammar and vocabulary, reading and listening. So when you take the test, you'll want to bring your headphones. All right, so you can hear it well. So when you come to the International Language Center, you're going to need to take this test, the pre-test in your first session. So make sure you bring your cell phone and some headphones. All right. It's just letting you know about you can use the camera on and off. No big deal. Um, so now they're going to get it set up. So now they're checking the volume. Yes, I can hear them. Okay. Then they have rules. Okay, you can't pause the test. You need to be in a quiet place. You should take the test alone. Okay. So keep that in mind when you take the test. All right, you need to be someplace quiet. Be by yourself, because what's going to happen is if they see someone walking behind you, this app, it uses AI technology. So if someone walks behind you, it's going to pause. It's going to stop. Okay, and also you need to be quiet in a quiet place. Okay, so keep that in mind when you take the test, because what's going to happen is you can only take the test once a day. So make sure you're in a quiet place. Okay. And let's start the test. So what's going to happen is they're not since I'm sharing my screen with this video, you're not going to be able to see the questions. Okay, but let me just part one. It says grammar vocabulary. Press start, and it's kind of fill in the blank. So this part you probably can't see, but it says Tom's visit. So I didn't hear Tom arrive because I was blank in the garden. Is it working in the garden, work in the garden, or work? So I would say I didn't hear Tom arrive because I was working. Let's see if I was right. Okay, so then what's going to happen is you get these multiple, like a multiple choice questions. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this now. Stop my sharing. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. All right, so very easy to set up. Takes 30 to 40 minutes to complete. Just make sure that when you're doing the test, you're in some place quiet, um, and make sure nobody walks behind you. Because if someone walks behind you like this, it's going to stop. Okay, and you have to try to take the test again. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Very, very easy to take. And then when you finish it, when you finish taking your pre-test, then what you're going to do, you're going to take a screenshot and then give that to your head team leader or to your mentor. Okay, and then the mentor will give it to the head team leader. Okay, so that's about it. And if you have any questions, just come visit me in the library building here at the university, building number 7, room 101. Okay, all right, well, thank you.